I have been involved with the project drawing the Elms. It's an interesting play between analogue and digital. I'm very analogue. I'm a woodcarver by trade.
I've been working with trees for many years, both as a ecologist and an artist. This project arose from a desire to celebrate the 9 elms of 9 elms over 9 nights in 9 different places.
I think a lot of the local residents didn't know what it was about, so I started explaining to them exactly what it is. I think they've been intrigued and they've kind of wanted to explore the different parts of 9 elms a lot more, and they found it interesting, the history behind it, the 9 elm trees that are located on 9 Elms Lane.
It's a fantastic way to get people to see more of 9 Elms as well as see beautiful projections.
It's great. I think it brings a little bit of community together.
It's really pretty as well. I like the animals.
Appreciate all that work that's gone into the drawing, but also all that work from the tree, the growing and surviving.
It's beautiful, and at Christmas it's just so lovely to start to walk around and see the area, but see it all lit up, and it's just something very different from all the other lights in London.